all ready to start?
Yes, ma'am.
We are.
Yes.
Thank you,
Super cool.
Gurinder sir, for joining. Sir,
Just give me 1 minute. You know, I'm not at all used to your Microsoft team. So I'm going to have a lot of problems trying to figure it out. And y'all are going to help me. Is that okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
Very,
And you will
very
give
warm
me the
welcome to you, Dr. Swaroop Sampath. I am Gurinder. I am a group vice chancellor here. But great to see you.
Namaste. I am so happy to be here. And
Uh,
I have to tell you, students, and y'all, of course, that jab maine kaha ki I'm going to do a workshop with Amity University, you know what was the reaction I got? Oh, that means you know how well y'all are respected.
no, I think that it's such a pleasure to see you and great work you are doing. I must compliment. You are not only spreading happiness, but you are adding value into the life of thousands of people. We are
Oh,
really honored.
it's my pleasure. And I would love to come and visit your campus. I will when I come to Delhi next time.
Right. We will
And
make it occasion. I think that
yes.
there is a annual event called InBush. I was telling Dr. Nitin, who is the head of our happiness center, that maybe that we will like to facilitate you also for the wonderful work which you are doing, number of
Sure.
innovations you have brought. But thank
Sure.
you so very much.
My pleasure. Thank you, sir, for inviting me.
Ma'am
So,
Tejasvi Akansha would be the coordinator for the session. They will be welcoming you officially, and then we will start the session.
they can start
They are
right
my
now.
wonderful students, and they are always on the front of all the events that we do.
Okay, super.
Akansha,
Thank
beta,
you.
over to you, Tejasvi.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Beta, put the camera on. I think camera is on off.
So my camera is on.
Okay, continue, beta.
A very good afternoon to all distinguished audience, students to this happiness session organized by Reiki Center of Excellence for the Science of Happiness, a center of Amity International Schools. I am your host Tejasvi Sharma, and the title for today's session will be Life Skill Education Through Drama. On behalf of our Honorable Founder President Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan Sir, our Honorable Founder President, our Honorable Chancellor of Amity Universities, who is behind conceiving, applying, and executing these wonderful events, which are beyond academics but more on life skills. I would like to extend our gratitude and welcome our guest of the day, Dr. Swaroop Sampath Raval ma'am, for taking her time to share the experiences with all of us. Thank you so much, ma'am.
My
I,
pleasure.
I would also like to welcome my fellow co-host, Akansha. A very good afternoon to everybody. The title of this session, Life Skill Education Through Drama, is unique and has garnered interest of many all over India and worldwide. I will read the brief profile of speaker Dr. Swaroop Sampath Raval ma'am. Swaroop Raval ma'am is chosen as one of the top 10 teachers of the world 2019 for the Global Teacher Prize. Her chosen path is one of development and transformation for humanity, of seva of the children of the nation. Her seva is not only confined to the walls of one classroom, but to the rural arena where her scope for caring, compassion, and selfless love service is unique. She is a trainer, traveling across India to conduct workshops for teachers to impart this knowledge for the benefit of children. She was selected by the then Gujarat Chief Minister Sri Narendra Modi to head an educational program for children to enhance the learning of the primary government school teachers of Gujarat. Swaroop Raval ma'am has been awarded Doctor of Philosophy in Education and more recently a Doctor of Letters both from the University of Worcester, UK. She is the non-government member of Central Advisory Board of Education India. Dr. Swaroop Sampath ma'am is an editorial board member of Educational Journal of Living Theory, an e-journal, published from the UK. Besides this, she is the governing council member and member of Society of Save the Children India. A special education and life skills teacher uses drama in education to teach children. Her work covers a wide canvas of many states in India, including Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttaranchal, Jharkhand, etc. She has facilitated huge programs like teacher training sessions for 2.5 lakh primary government school teachers for Gujarat Council for Educational Research and Training. As a consultant for Children Protection Unit, Gujarat, for life skills enhancement through drama, her work reached 5,400 villages in Gujarat. I
Bas,
would now,
bas.
yes, ma'am. I would now pass on the mic to our professor, Dr. Nitin Arora, sir, for a few kind words.
Thank you, Akansha. And Sarup ma'am, once
Thank
again,
you,
welcome to MIT
Akansha.
University platform. You have been kind enough when you joined even last year, December, when we were doing AICTE,
Always,
FDP.
Nitin ji, aapke liye any time. And of
Thank you
course,
so
now
much.
for Amity, it's like now going to become my home.
May I request Gurinder Singh, sir, to please say a few words, ma'am. Sir, please. Sir, over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Nitin, and what a great pleasure to welcome Dr. Sarup Sampath. I think that we were very young. I'm not old today also,
No,
but
no,
we were
I am old. Don't worry. I'm 63 this
so
year.
you are very young. But I remember your show, Ye Jo Zindagi, Ye Jo Hai Zindagi,
That's right.
right? So such a wonderful show, and it added not only happiness in our lives, and we always used to sit together as a family to see your shows, and the number of other shows which you have been hosting. The students and our industry captains, there are very few people in the world who actually are able to add happiness. It is the most difficult thing of your life. Because especially last 1.5 year, we have seen so many challenges. Students sitting in the front of their computer whole day, working only on and chatting only on computer. They're not able to go out. They're not able to meet. They're not able to travel. Dr. Sampath, we have got number of programs. We have about 200,000 students, campuses across the globe. We have got our campus in New
I
York.
know.
It's a beautiful 170 acres campus. We have got a campus in London next to the British Museum, Singapore, and our students, we have made it mandatory that all of them they can take an option of doing a semester abroad. But these students, they have not been able to go from last 1.5 year
I
anywhere.
know.
So,
True.
and there's so many challenges in front of them. They are very uncertain what their life is going to be, where they will be placed. They can't play. They can't come to the university. They can't go to the schools. But such a pleasure to see you to address such an important topic. This is life skill. How you need to be happy, and what is life all about. So very
Absolutely.
eager to look at that what you're doing. Over to you. But on behalf of MIT family, once again, a very warm welcome to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So, Nitin ji, can I start?
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Okay. So, very, very good afternoon to you all students. And I am so excited to be here talking to you. I first want to tell you a little about why I'm doing this program. As you know, we did so well in the Olympics, and our Honorable Prime Minister was talking to the Olympic medal winners, and he was telling them that they should go to 75 villages and talk about sports. और मैंने सोचा कि क्यों नहीं मैं ऐसा करती हूँ to celebrate the 75th independence year of our country, the country which I love so much, the country which you all love so much. And I thought that I should do 75 life skill workshops all over. And just so that you all feel happy, I'll tell you, I'm doing a workshop. Today I did a workshop in Hyderabad. Yesterday I did Gujarat and I did West Bengal. So right now I've done Maharashtra, two cities, Gujarat, 3 cities, Rajasthan. I've got workshops in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, West Bengal, Chandigarh, Punjab, Noida, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, maybe Assam Rifles. So you can see that I'm trying to go all over India with these workshops because I want to spread the idea of Jan Bhagidari and a Jan Andolan. I'm doing what I do best, and that is teaching life skills. So today I'm going to introduce you to the general topic of life skills. The reason I'm going to do that is because a lot of people make mistake with the name life skills. And I don't want you to be my students and not know the exact meaning of life skills. So I'm going to start with life skills, and then I'm going to do one life skill with you all. It's very important that we understand. You all can see my share, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So understanding life skills. I'm Swaroop Raval and I'm a teacher, and you can meet me on Lakshya at 2022 at Gmail or on Twitter at YoSwaroop. Please write to me, please connect with me. What are life skills?
Ma'am, can you make it full screen, please, if possible?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
What are life skills? Life skills are skills that help us to behave positively. You see that happiness thing, it comes from being positive and to help us deal correctly with the needs and challenges of life. Everyday life, normal life. They are psychosocial skills with the cognitive ability too. Now, why am I telling you this? There are these weird things that, I'm sorry, they're not really weird, but they're maybe not correct or not sufficient. Things like 21st century skills. Now, 21st century skills is a huge laundry list of skills. You don't know exactly what skills are they talking about. One person's list could have some, the others couldn't. Then they had social emotional learning. And I think that doesn't have a cognitive ability. Why? And, why for the sake of novelty do you have a new name for life skills? Or maybe you want to patent something, and I don't think that is fair. For people who are working in life skills all the time, you make a new name, patent it, and still work in life skills. I think that's totally unfair, but that's their life. Then there is a thing called livelihood skills. These are skills you need to earn money. They are carpentry, sewing, business management, making money skills. They are not to be mistaken with life skills. Remember that, okay? What are the core life skills? The core life skills are understanding and managing emotions, understanding self, effective communication skills, skills of empathy, problem solving, decision making, creative thinking, and critical thinking. We experience lots of different emotions, not just happy. We experience sad, hurt, anger, and the best thing, they're all correct emotions. The only thing is you need to be able to manage them, and you need to be able to display them correctly. Then understanding self. I am. Now, since you're older students, I will tell you this I is not the egoistic I. When we're talking of I am, we're talking about you. The you that works with the we, the I, not I as the egoistic I, but the I that is going to allow deep introspection. I am a daughter, I'm a son, I'm funny, I'm talented, I'm awesome, I'm sweet, I'm curious. I am all this, and I need to know it to be able to do well in life. Then effective communication skills. It's not just communication skills, it's effective communication skills. So you learn to listen, you learn to hear, you learn to talk, and all that properly. And this beautiful, beautiful skill called empathy. Understanding a person's emotions, putting yourself in that person's place, and communicating that emotion, compassion, empathy, the most beautiful skills. I think these are the most beautiful skills. Then there is problem solving and decision making. I was just teaching young kids in Hyderabad right now, and I told them problem solving is very important. And y'all can have a great laugh, but I will tell you what are the kind of problems that you experience. Um, how do I put this off? Oh gosh, this is very, very complicated. Okay. Okay, can you see me? No. Can you see me?
Yes, ma'am. You are visible.
Yes,
You know, the thing is, I
on the
can't see
slide also.
myself. Sorry, here. Okay. So, can you see the slide even? No.
Yes, please. We can see now it has gone. Now
Oh.
it has gone.
Okay. I am so not used to using this platform. So you all will just have to see me through it. Okay. Now, what is I talking about? Problem solving and decision making. Come on, students, tell me one or tell me 4 or 5 decisions you've taken today. Come on. Who's going to tell me? You know, we think decision making is only big decisions. Yes, I'm sorry I didn't get your name, but yes, whoever put their hand up.
Ma'am Akansha.
Okay, Akanksha, come on.
Yes, ma'am. One decision that I took today that I have to wake up early.
It is like मैं उठूं कि नहीं उठूं. मैं 5 मिनट और सो लूं. Isn't that true? That is a decision. Why don't you understand that? It's not only huge career decisions that are decisions. We take so many decisions every day, and Akanksha will tell me that अगर आप सोचती कि मैं 5 मिनट और सो लूं तो क्या क्या problems हो जाते. चलो, tell me.
Ma'am, firstly, I would have been late for everything because
Exactly.
today we have an event and then we have an internal. We have so many things going on.
Absolutely. I will tell you one, seriously. And I'm not lying. I'll sleep for 5 minutes more. And then I get up late. Now, oh my God, I got to run. I don't have time to have my tea. Or maybe I have just time to drink the hot tea and burn my throat and run. And maybe, of course, you all don't do that, but in Bombay we do. I have just time to catch that bus. But I'm 5 minutes late, so I miss the bus. Now I'm going to be late, so maybe I'll catch a rickshaw. I'm just making one scenario which has happened. And now I'm not getting a rickshaw and I'm in panic and I drop everything. I've got to pick them up. The buses come, I catch it, I go, and I have to run into class. You see, I don't have to smartly glide into class. There's a huge difference because when I'm running into class, I am not in the best of spirit. And then that whole lecture is gone for a toss. That 5-minute decision, was it a good decision or was it a bad decision? I mean, I'm just making a scenario. You think that, oh यार 5 मिनट सो लेने से क्या फर्क पड़ता है? अरे नहीं भाई, बहुत पड़ता है. For example, you could wear the wrong clothes and you suddenly not the smartest person on stage. And because you're not the smartest person on stage, you're not talking well. Because you're inside saying, you know, ये tight है, ये loose है, ये neck low है, मेरे बाल ठीक नहीं है. You're not worried about your speech. I'm telling you it's happened with me. And then I'm not my best. I've ruined my whole day. You should realize these decisions make a big impact on everything. So decision making, and like in the picture, it'll be, should I go there, 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 there? So I was talking to the little children and I was saying, should I do my homework now? Should I play first? Should I do my homework after playing? But then I may be tired. Should I do it before dinner? Should I do it today? Should I do it tomorrow morning? In the morning, I've forgotten. I have to go to school without homework. I'm going to get one chamat from the teacher. Hai ki nahi? I mean, I know you may say, what is ma'am talking? But just reflect on what I'm talking. Students, you will realize मैं बहुत simple भाषा use करती हूँ. मैं बहुत simple example देती हूँ. But reflect on it. What is reflection? Reflection is meta thinking, deep thinking. So do a thinking about what I'm saying. Put yourself in that place and think of the wrong decisions you've had to take because you were late. Oh. Yeah, okay. So here, the decision making. Yes. Now I'm going to be on this. Creative thinking. Creative thinking is not just about drawing or painting or music or dance. Did you get that? It is about innovation. It's about having a vision. It's about an idea. It's going through a process for development and growth by being creative. So this is something you need to develop. And critical thinking. Remember, I talked to you about meta thinking. So it's about problem solving with deep thinking, reflection, and finding a solution. Remember, life skills are skills we can take everywhere we go in life, no matter what we do. Okay? So did you get that? Now, if somebody can tell me how to switch this thing off.
What happened, ma'am?
I need to put off this, end the show.
That's all.
It's gone.
It will just go.
Okay. So did you get it? This is what life skills are. Now, I want to share a video with you. So I'm going to share it. You all are going to help me through the process.
You have to click on the vertical arrow.
1 minute, 1 minute. Let me open that video first. And let me vertical. And do I just put it on? I don't have to do any share sound or anything?
No, you have to click on the vertical arrow, screen share and system sound on.
Oh, wait. Now where will that system sound come?
No, once you click on the vertical arrow, there will be option coming up, include computer sound. You can cancel this. You can cross this first of all.
Yeah.
Click on
now
the vertical
I'll start
arrow.
Again. Okay. Yeah.
And then on top you will see share content, include computer sound. On the top, share content.
Wait, when my whole video is gone at the moment. Wait 1 minute.
Okay.
This is why I hate this. You understand? I can be so much more faster. Wait. Okay, now.
Yes.
This arrow.
Vertical arrow. On top you will see share content, include computer sound.
I'm not getting that on top.
Ma'am, you are the presenter. Yes.
But I'm not getting it on top.
You were not. Ma'am, are you on mobile right now?
No, I'm on a desktop.
Okay. Do you want to share that link to me? I don't know.
No, it's not a link. It's a video I have saved, and to send it to you would be very, very difficult.
Ma'am, can I help you out?
Wait, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, whoever's telling me, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sharing my screen. Yes.
Show device settings.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Ma'am, you just have to go this side.
Okay,
it
but
is-
you see, it's not coming on in mine.
Actually, ma'am, I'm sharing the screen. That's why it's showing cross. You will getting the vertical arrow here.
But my dear child, I'm not getting that.
Oh, ma'am,
Okay,
then
can you
it's
stop sharing? Yeah,
Yes,
just stop
ma'am.
sharing 1 minute. Let me try one more time, okay? See, I'm getting the arrow up, but on top, I'm not getting anything.
Is there anything coming? Share content? Share, sorry, screen share, screen share.
It's okay, wait, I've got system audio. I got it.
Yes, yes. And then
Now
screen.
I've 1 minute.
Yes.
Can you see the video?
Now,
Yes,
ma'am, it's
can you test
visible.
the video, please? We can hear the sound testing.
Can you see the video screen? No,
Yes.
you
Video is
can.
visible.
Yeah, okay, now I'm putting it on. Now let's hope.
Paint with a basketball?
Can you hear
Yes.
it? Oh, super.
Yes.
Okay. And that's how you do a painting with a basketball.
Wasn't that awesome? Okay, so I
An awesome video.
actually, yes, and I have one more to share with you all. Just wait. You see, I actually met this girl, Red, at a conference where she was talking about creativity in learning, and I was talking about fun in learning. And she told me the amount of trouble that goes through doing all this. And just by the way, she's not a painter, she's actually an architect. Okay, so please understand that. I mean, you'd say, oh, painter hai to kya hua? Nahi, nahi, bhai, architect hai. Or I'm going to now share another one with you all. So just hang on for 1 second. This is even more interesting. Um, 1 minute. I need to open it again. You will love this. Wasn't that just awesome? Y'all can hear
If
me,
we
correct?
have a word beyond awesome, it must be that.
Yes. So now it takes me to what I want to teach you all today. I want to teach you all something which is called creative thinking skills. Okay. So it's going to be a very, very interesting lecture. Creative thinking, I'm just going to let this thing on the side be because it makes me more comfortable. So let's just forget about that. Please ignore it. Look at my main screen. Creative thinking is about thinking, artistic, problem solving, being inspired, energized, and all these possible things. But okay, here we are. So what is creative? Creativity is the ability to do something new that is also useful and valued by others. Please remember, I've taken a huge pause over here. Valued by others. That something can be an essay, painting, poetry, anything like that. Or it could be playing an instrument or using a familiar tool in a different way. Now, yeah, using a familiar tool in a different way. Come on, let's see. A familiar tool in a different way. How many ways can you use this mug besides having coffee? Come on, tell me. Yes, don't put up your hand, just unmute and tell me the answer. Come on.
Ma'am, we can plant a small plant in this mug and we can use it
Absolutely.
as a pen holder.
Yes. What about others? Aren't somebody going to tell me something? Come on.
Vivek, Amisha, anybody?
Yeah, come on. Why are you feeling shy? You're not meant to answer, okay? Okay, if you're not going to answer, this paper's flying away. I'm using it as a paperweight. I am telling you this horrible thing that's happened just now. This is the ground, and there is a huge cockroach. I'm catching it. So there are lots of things you can use a mug for besides this. And that is what creative thinking is. To use familiar objects in a different way. And that is a great way, like I'm saying familiar, but when we are talking of saving the environment, we are talking of using familiar objects to do something to save the environment. Like this fantastic lady who knitted plastic bags. कचरे की bags को knit कर करके she made them into proper bags which you can use for shopping. Like the Tetra Pak. People are making furniture from Tetra Paks. I've read this beautiful article where they're making furniture from plastic bottles. That is creativity, okay? So it's not only about doing a normal painting or a drawing, but now you will see where I'm leading you to. This is very domain specific. What does domain specific mean? You have to become that expert in your domain to be creative. It's not like how we tell, अरे चाचा जी आए हैं, मेरी बच्ची तो बहुत अच्छा डांसिंग करती है, डांस करके दिखाओ. No, it's not that. Okay? That's not creativity. अरे मेरा बच्चा तो इतना अच्छा गाना गाता है. Come on, sing. That's not creative. when you become that expert in your domain. So you have to work on the creative thinking skill. It's a life skill. Okay. Remember, life skills help you in everything. They help you excel in your profession. They're not just, I mean, of course they are. They are about you in society. It's about you with your parents, you with your friends, you with your siblings, you with your boyfriend, girlfriend, you with your lovers, you with your husbands. But it is also about you at work, you in college, you in your domain, excelling in that. And that's what life skills is all about. Okay. So creative thinking is not just, अरे यार पेंटिंग कर लिया. नहीं भाई. This lady is an architect. And you know, she took a real long time to do the coffee painting, she told me. Because first, she had to become an expert in doing the rings with the coffee. How strong the coffee is, how mild the coffee is, how well the paper is absorbing or not absorbing. The video, she said she did the video at least 4 times. Once the shoulder came in and it did not look good. So it's about excellence. Please understand, it's my most favorite skill. And that's why I'm teaching it to you. In fact, I told Nitin ji कि आपके students के लिए मैंने एक बहुत special lesson बनाया है. So this lesson plan was specially created for you all. So to be creative, you don't have to be bizarre or strange. It is not about अरे वो पेपर लिया उसपे बहुत सारा पेंटिंग डाल दिया उसपे रोल कर दिया वॉक कर लिया पेंटिंग रेडी. No, it's not that. It's about thinking very carefully and doing something. It's also about something being useful, valued, and not created by accident. You know, that first ring may have been an accident, but after that, it was not. So, this is the process that you have to pass through. Preparation, which is concerned with recognizing that a particular problem is worth studying. Right now, we had this great COVID pandemic. There were a lot of scientists, a lot of people studying medicine, and lots of people studying vaccination, and they recognized that this was a problem that is worth studying and solving. Incubation is something that happens in an unconscious state, and this unconscious state is your expertise. It's only when you're an expert that you can go on thinking about your problem in an unconscious state. Then inspiration. I love to explain inspiration. Inspiration is दिमाग की बत्ती जल गई. Suddenly, oh yes, when I make this combination, will I get the correct vaccine to do it? And then verification. It's a very important step. A lot of us do all these things and leave it before actually verification. We don't bother to put the solution to test. So it's very important to put your solution to test. Two very important facts. Generation of ideas that is useful, productive, and appropriate. And a teacher, a classroom, a college, a university, a school, we can encourage our children to become, our students to become creative by encouraging divergent thinking, asking open-ended questions, and things that lead to many, many different type of ways. Now, there were 2, 3 points that I made when I talked about creative thinking and creativity. If you remember, I said this one point, useful, useful. Another thing I said, valued. आज मैं बैठ के कॉम्बिनेशन करके एक बॉम्ब बनाऊंगी. That is not creative. Remember that. The worst crimes that have happened in our humanity, like Hiroshima bombing, was not creative. It was not creative thinking skills. It cannot be creative if it's wicked. It cannot be creative if it is going to harm humanity. So please, all, not you, I know y'all are not there, but this is a thing to the whole world, that people who are doing harm to to humanity, to animals, to nature, whatever, are not being creative. So pause and think. What is it? Is it a thing that's going to help? Is it a thing that's valued? Is it going to be for the good of humanity? Only then is it creative, and only then is it worth doing. You know, making a poison, and you know, this is something we all need to understand, especially at university level, because kal ko you all will be in the field. Pharmaceuticals that make medicines that are irresponsible. Advertisements that lower other people's esteem. You know, Fair and Lovely. Hello. What about the harm you're doing to all the browns and the blacks? That's not creative. A wrong message that you're putting. You're making the most fantastic ad about cigarette smoking. Sorry, that's not creative. This is something that you'll definitely need to think about. And even if this is the message you carry home today, I would be glad. Teachers, we need to encourage divergent thinking. It is defined as a parallel construct to intelligence, but it is not only intelligence, and thank God it's not restricted only to cognitive intelligence or behavioral functions. There are lots of things that go into play when we are talking of creativity. One is motivation. How will I explain this to you? Very, very easily. Supposing 4 years back, I told someone, please make a vaccine for COVID. What do you think the motivation was at that time? Zero. What is the motivation today? 100, 200, 300%. Personality and the environmental condition. आप जिस स्थिति में हैं, the college you are in, the school you are in, the situation you are in, that is your environment I'm talking about. So that is a lot on us. How much do we encourage as teachers encourage creativity? Yes? Chance factors. You know, dimag ki batti jalane ke liye chance factors are very important. And even the product. How important is the product? Yeah. What are the barriers? What are the barriers? Failure to ask questions. For a teacher, I would say failure to encourage questions. Failure to record ideas. You know, बहुत अच्छी idea आती है और हम लिखते नहीं हैं. So maybe I should do one with you all on reflective practice, on how we need to write down, record it. And y'all are a lucky generation. Y'all don't only have to write down, y'all can record on the cell. There is so much we can do, but we must want to do it. Then revisit the idea. एक बार लिख के रख दिया किधर, धूल खा रहा है. That's not creativity. You need to revisit the idea. You need to express your idea. You need to think of new ways that you can do this. And this very, very important one, to wish for more. I'm going to come back to it. Try being creative. Keep on trying. I want to talk to you. 1 minute, huh? I want to talk to you about wishing for more. Wishing for more. You know, there are lots of people who tell you don't be ambitious. As if ambitious is a bad word. No, it isn't. Lots of people will tell you don't dream. Don't listen to them. Dream. Lots of people will say, itne se hi khushi mano. No, wish for more. I'll tell you why. Because when you dream, you set a goal. If you don't have a goal, you're not going to strive towards it. If you don't wish for more, you're not going to want to be like, I want to make 75 classes. A lot of people would have told me, Pagal ho kya? You know, by the end of this month, I'm going to finish 37 classes in 1 month. That is wishing for more. Yes, you can do it. Wish for more. Be ambitious. I am so ambitious. I want to reach out to every child in my country. But when I want that ambition, will I try it? And then will I do creative thinking ki kaise karu? Do you understand? So it's very important to wish for more. Now I'm going to tell you this, which is a very, very important thing. Creativity is at the core. Creative thinking is important. Motivation is important. And expertise is important. These are the three main components. Creative thinking skill depends on how flexible you are, how imaginative you are to approach the problem. When you have a dry spell, can you be resilient and go back? Can you persevere through that dry spell? Because everybody will have a dry spell. Motivation. And there is one very important thing in motivation. Have I talked about it afterwards? Okay, no. Intrinsic motivation. It's not about money. It's about that joy for doing that creation. It is andar se jo hota hai wo feeling, that passion, that is intrinsic motivation. And expertise. Expertise is knowing your technique, knowing your procedure, being intelligent. It is a knowledge word. So I think this is very important more than anything else I want to tell you. So I want to leave you with this drawing in your mind. I mean, I'm not going, but I'm still telling you. Remember this: expertise, creative thinking, and motivation. Guess what? I learned how to do it directly. I am so happy. I learned something today, Nitinji.
You're always kind by saying these things.
I didn't know. So this is what creative thinking is. Do you get it, students? It's not about drawing and painting. It's becoming an expert in your field. And so I think you'll like my videos very much. I want to share one more with you. Would you like to see it? Yes.
Yes, boys and girls.
Yes, I
Give a
did
big
get a
thumbs up.
nod. Yeah.
Give a big thumbs up.
How many of y'all are Jackie Chan fans? I'm going to show you this very, very interesting film.
Ma'am, is there a sound in this?
Oh, yes. Did that not come?
Yes.
Mhm.
If you can just redo it.
I will do it. I got where that is. And there you are. Is it okay? Wasn't it very interesting? So, hello, you can hear me?
Yes, doctor.
Yeah. Wasn't that very, very interesting? So that's what
Absolutely, ma'am.
creative thinking is about. And now I'm going to give you all a few minutes to share reflections with me. And now y'all will just have to talk with me because it's compulsory. There are a few questions you have to answer. One is what you learned, what you liked, and the very important thing in all this is why. Why did you like what I shared? Why did you like what I taught? Or why did you not like what I did? So now it's over to you. Come on, who's going to start?
Tejasvi, Akanksha.
Akanksha to is my prize child. I'm going to take you home with me.
Ma'am, like there is a quote saying, shoot for the moon, even if you miss, you will land among the stars. And you
Right.
told us that we have to dream really big and we have to be really ambitious. But sometimes, like my mom also, sometimes she gets scared sometimes because she tells me, Beta, you don't have to dream such big dreams because if you fail, you're gonna regret like losing a lot of time or things like that. Like she gets scared, like what if you don't get it and you feel sad about it. But but you said that we should be ambitious, and this is the thing that I like the most today, because I'm never going to stop dreaming just because I'm scared of not dreaming.
Absolutely. And I want to tell you all, please don't be scared. But you know what? You can't just dream and sit back. You have to work for it. Like I will tell you one huge thing is that I'd written 100,000 words of my PhD. And one of my examiners said that if you submit this, you will fail. So did I give up? No. I went back and I worked on it. And this is the truth. When I walked into my Viva, my external and internal, they got up. and they told me, congratulations, at the onset, we want to tell you we've passed you. We've never read a PhD. That's so good. So I did not sit back. I worked on it, but I definitely dreamt that, I would succeed. So that's an example. So who's coming on next? Because if you don't come on next, I'm just going to say bye and go. So come on. Let me see you all.
Miss Navdeep Kaur, are you here?
Nitinji, I don't think you should call them out, but I think they should be just free. Yeah.
Anybody, please. Tejasvi, Vivek.
Yeah, don't put your hand up, just talk. Yeah.
Kuldeep, you are here. Your view, beta. Vidya Sagar ji.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Ma'am, I would like to say that you were really motivating, because these days I am really very feeling low. For I'm being home, and like I am really.
Correct. Go on speaking, child.
Yes.
Tejasvi.
Yes.
You know what? All of y'all don't have to speak to me in English. You can speak to me in Hindi. Only don't speak to me in Punjabi. Okay, I don't know that. But Hindi में बोल सकते हैं. Yeah, Tejasvi, घर में बैठ के, it's so horrible, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And you can't meet your friends. You can't be happy. There's so much stress. You know something? I was so stressed out in the beginning, is that, you don't know whether to wash hands, to clean, whether you're getting COVID or not. And I think it was terrible. So you enjoyed the class because of that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Tejasvi.
We are following same routine from past 2 years. And it's...
Thank you, Tejasvi. I really appreciate your reflections. Who else is going to talk to me?
Vidya Sagar ji, you want to say something?
Nitin ji, I think I'll have to come over there and talk to your... Yes, Vidya Sagar, tell me.
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Very attractive. You have described a very simple way how to be peaceful man, because we are used to feeling tension in simple tussle between family members and office worker. So you have described very well. We try to follow, but we used to forget another day. We able to follow today, but tomorrow we will forget.
No, you must not. And that's why, Vidya Sagar ji, you have to practice your life skills, and you have to go on practicing them every day to become very good. So Nitin ji, I'm going to say thank you to you for giving me an Pratima wants to say something. Come on, Pratima. Pratiman, right?
Pratiman? Yes,
Pratiman. Sorry, Pratiman. Tell me.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I'm your huge fan, and rather I would say that मैं rather बड़ा हुआ हूँ आपकी सक्सेस देखते हुए. जब आप मिस इंडिया बनी थी, उससे 1 साल पहले मैं पैदा हुआ था. 1984 में ये जो है जिंदगी आई, मेरा बचपन ये जो है जिंदगी और रजनी देखते हुए गया है. और मतलब मैं दोनों सीरियल से बहुत इंस्पायर होता था. आपकी नरम गरम फिल्म मैं पता नहीं कितनी बार देख चुका हूँ.
Thank you.
और रादर फिर अभी आपकी साथिया फिल्म आई थी 2002 में.
राइट.
कीएन का आई थी, उड़ी आई थी. मतलब मैम, और उसके बाद फिर क्या कहते हैं, आपने एक बुक लिखी है जिसको आमिर खान ने फॉरवर्ड लिखा है जिसका.
यस.
नितिन सर, अगर आप परमिशन दे, मैं एक छोटा सा क्या कहते हैं मैम का एक पिक्चर गैलरी रन करना चाहूंगा, और ताकि हमारे जो यंग जनरेशन को पता लग सके कि इस वक्त कितनी बड़ी मतलब एक हस्ती हमारे साथ मौजूद है. It's just like a fan moment for me.
Absolutely, Pratiman. Ma'am, he is a very dear colleague of ours. Pratiman, please do it, please. Please do it.
Sir, make me the presenter.
1 second. Yes, 1 second. Done.
और स्टूडेंट्स आपको पता नहीं होगा, मैम के हस्बैंड परेश रावल जी खुद फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के इतने बड़े स्टार हैं, एमपी हैं।
ex-MP hai. This year he's no. I mean, this time he didn't stand. He was last time.
Pratiman, you are the now presenter. You want to share something?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Okay.
Visible. So this is the clip of when ma'am has won the Miss India title in 1979. Is it visible?
Yeah,
Yes,
we can see it.
Yeah, we can see. Sir, we can see.
Then this is the advertisement of the famous Lux soap.
Yeah.
Every Bollywood star मतलब जिन्होंने मुकाम पाया है, जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत हैं, उनको ही लक्स का एडवर्टाइजमेंट करने को मिलता है. एंड मैडम स्वरूप संपत इज वन ऑफ द most beautiful and the gracious actress which we have. Then this is one of the another ad. Then this is the still of the Naram Garam film. ये जो है जिंदगी legendary serial. This is the Alt Balaji web series which I believe had come on 2018, ma'am.
Yeah, 19, I think. Maybe 18. I'm not so sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Then when ma'am has got the PhD from the University of Worcester, and this was the news which was published by the University of Worcester, UK, mentioning TV soap star PhD research benefiting children with special needs. This is the book which I was talking about, the learning disabilities in a nutshell, in which the forwarded was the Amir Khan.
Yeah.
Great book. Then ma'am speaking on the Save the Children. Ma'am is associated with this NGO. And this is the family of ma'am.
Look at you. All the pictures you got.
Mix of love, care and fun.
Isn't that true? Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much, Pratimam.
Really a fan moment for me, ma'am.
Thank you. So students and Nitin ji and Pratimam ji and all the rest of y'all can, and Vidya Sagar ji, can I say bye-bye to y'all?
Ma'am, we will share few life skills that students have done. They want to show to you.
Sure.
I will share few songs, and if we have 1 or 2 questions, we can take for them also.
Yeah,
just
sure.
a second. I will play a few things at a center of happiness. We create very creative things also. So a few samples. The day when you joined in December, that was somehow beginning we were doing. Now after 1 year, things have grown very big, ma'am, right now here.
Yeah.
I'll share a few things, ma'am. So this is a musical song that we created here. 1 second.
I think your screen's frozen, hasn't it?
Was the voice coming?
No.
Okay. Hi. The voice coming?
Yeah. It's coming. It's frozen now.
I think Vivek, better double check, is the voice coming?
No, it's not coming.
No, sir, not.
Yeah,
Now it's
abhi
coming
aaya.
now.
Oh, hello. Off a mood. Sad हो तो सुनो, देखो मैंने तो खा ली है हैप्पीनेस वाली कसम, इसके साथ ही कह दिया टाटा बाय टू ऑल द गम। हाय कैसे हो, खुश हो क्या, सच कहो। ओके लिसन, देखो ना झूम रही हूँ पूछो कैसे, सबको रिकमेंड करती हूँ मैं हैप्पीनेस वाली कसम, जिंदगी में एक ही काफी है, नो टेंशन हम है मगन।
This was one of the song, ma'am. Did you like that?
I loved it. और नितिन जी आप अभी मुझे ये भेजेंगे।
मैं
And
आपको
I'm
अभी
going
भेज
to-
रहा हूँ। And then
और आप सुनो तो सही, जब मैं मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को इमोशंस वाला लेक्चर लूंगी तो उनको ये दिखाऊंगी।
Thank you. And then we have played one more ringtone for happiness for mobile
Okay.
phones. One more second.
But I
please.
love this.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And this is a ringtone that we created.
Yeah.
A short ringtone.
हाय कैसे हो, खाया क्या खुशियों की कसम। ओ हेलो,
That's all.
Lovely. But
हाँ,
आप
that's
मुझे
a
वो
ringtone.
वीडियो तो जरूर भेजिए।
I will be sending, ma'am.
Yes.
And ma'am, before you leave, just want to share one thing to you. We have made one book, ma'am, and which was noticed by even Stanford. So that book we would be sharing to you as a kind memento to you. Ebook I would be sharing to you, and that book name is Consciousness Puzzles: A Father's Gift
And
to
we have to make that book on the poems.
We have to do that book also, ma'am. Acrostic poem. We have to do that.
Just give me a little time. ये थोड़ा workshop से time मिले, I will definitely sit
Anytime,
down with you to do
anytime.
it. Yes.
Anytime.
So I'll say bye to you, Nitin ji, because
Akansha, Tejasvi. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, we would like to conclude this event by saying, on behalf of Amity University, I extend a hearty vote of thanks to Dr. Swaroop Sampath, ma'am, for sparing some time of your busy schedule to grace this special occasion. Today, we had an opportunity to hear your delightful thoughts on life skill education through drama, and ma'am, I can't thank you enough for the things that you have taught us today. We will be cherishing the new ideas and advices provided by you all our lives. After listening to you, I think we all have opened a new dimension of thoughts and ideas in our lives, and this will indeed encourage us in our future events. I'd also like to express my gratitude to our session coordinator, Professor Dr. Nitin Arora, sir, for organizing this wonderful event and giving us this opportunity to be a part of this wonderful event. And I'd like to thank the students and community for joining this event. I would request all the participants to kindly fill the feedback forms that you will be receiving after the event on your mails. Thank you so much.
thank you very much. Bye, everyone. See you soon.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for
Thank
coming.
you. Thank you.
So much.
Bye. See you.
Thank you, Tejasvi. Thank you, Akansha, Vivek, and everybody for joining. Thank you so much, Beta. Good work done. Thank you so much. Thank you, Beta.
Hello, sir. Chat is not available for